What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Hollywood Buzzable reaction. We're gonna be jumping into another new artist to the channel. This is When Chai Meets Toast, a very unique name. I had somebody hit me up and ask me if I was against or if I had any kind of aversion to doing Indian music. Absolutely not. Let me make that very clear right here. I don't care where the music comes from. If the music is good, send it to me. We'll do it. I'm all about every country of music because I'm all about every kind of people. If you haven't noticed on this channel, it's all about positivity and love and respect. And that includes everybody worldwide. That's not nobody is left out. I don't have an aversion to any songs. There in all actuality, we really didn't know where we didn't have very many Indian requests. We did our Bloody Wood. We did some other stuff from like you send it to me, I'ma do it. That's how it works. So when chai meets toast, when we feel young, the nature tapes. Let's jump in. Let's check it out. Let's see where we're going. I have been told that this one's in English, so let's go. Oh, wow. Holy damn. I didn't know. This is first off, the scenery is stunning. I need me a breakfast nook like this in the jungle with a glass around. This is all very beautiful. Let's go. We got some serious talent right here on these guitars already. Wow.
Found you passing by in cold December.
Wow. This dude has a beautiful voice. Super smooth. Come on now.
Lost in view, but still your face and your gaze I remember.
Hey.
Looking at the diamonds in your eyes, shine in the pale moonlight. We've come so far, looking up above into the sky. Everything just seems so fine. This is our time.
Yo, we love a good vibe. Let's go. We love this positive, upbeat feel. This is our time. Like, woo, we got love in here. Hey, don't be holding out on me on any kind of music. Send it.
Seems so fine. This is our time. Into the night.
Oh.
I feel alive. At 59. When we feel young.
Hey, that's what I said. I love it when. What did I tell y'all? There's nothing I love more than like walking through the park and seeing that old man and woman still in love that have been married for 75 years, that it's still just as strong as it was the day they got together. That's the kind of love I want. That's the kind of love I want everybody to achieve. Imagine that, just having that everything for so long. This is beautiful, 100%. Let me get some more of When Chai Meets Toast because they are fantastic together.
When we feel young.
I hope you all still feel young at 59. Let's go. Woo! Shout out to my man in the Star Wars hoodie. He knows what's up.
Found us reminiscing our days together.
Yo, they
Found our names written in the the stars forever.
Hey, ride them up there in the stars.
Looking back at all that we've been through, a fairy tale come true. I'm there for you. Looking up above into the sky, everything just seems so fine. This is our time.
Let's go.
Into the night, I feel alive. At 59, when we feel young. Into the night, I feel alive. This is the time.
Wow.
When we feel young.
They're all so. Oh, now we got the little shakers coming in. I was wondering what those black things on the table were. Hey, we got some shaker action. They just came back in. These dudes are super on point when it comes to starting and stopping. The timing is perfect. The vocals are next level. Like for real. Send me some more. I need more of this. This is a positive vibe. My face hurts from smiling so much. Like it's one of those videos you can't just help but smile because this is what I want for people. Like I want y'all to feel young when you're old. I want you to have that forever love. I want you to have that happily ever after. Let's go.
Body show में भीगे हुए हम, धूम में नाचे यहाँ। ख्वाहिशें मेरी पूरी हुई अब, ये अपनी दास्तां।
All right, so give me the rundown. Is it Hindi that they're speaking? I don't know how many different languages there are in India. Forgive me, I'm an ignorant American, but I'm able to admit when I'm an ignorant American, and I'm all about learning new things and new cultures and people. So this is beautiful. I don't know. I'm trying to think. We've heard some hard metal stuff, I think, in Hindi, but I don't think that we've heard anything sung so sweetly like this. I love the way that this language sounds. It's beautiful to the ears. Listen to it. I didn't even realize that they weren't speaking English until I figured out I couldn't understand it anymore. It's very, very beautiful still.
ख्वाहिशें मेरी पूरी हुई अब, ये अपनी दास्तां। बारिशों में भीगे हुए हम, धूम में नाचे यहाँ। ख्वाहिशें मेरी पूरी हुई अब, ये अपनी
The most beautiful little room ever. Break free. Hey, I'm seeing some more titles that we're gonna have to check out. That sounds like a title that we need. Break free. You know, we're all about getting what we want out of life and breaking free of our chains and our demons. We're gonna have to check out some more When Chai Met Toast 100% because that was fantastic. Like the scenery, the vocals were like angelic together, the harmonies, just the sheer talent on the acoustic guitar, everything was beautiful. It wasn't even like it was just okay. It was really, really and truly beautiful. Like everything they thought about it. Everybody sitting around. If you got talent, like let me see it. Show it to me. I don't care where it comes from. Whatever country. I don't give a damn if you can find the first CD they ever made in Antarctica. Send it to me. We'll listen to it. You want to send me some Eskimo music from up? Send it. I don't care where it comes from. Good music is what we want. Good music is what I want to hear. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Check out one of my other videos up here. Subscribe right down here if you want to see more content, possibly your content. Until the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love y'all to the moon and back. Peace.